Welcome. This is a calm space to learn English through listening. No pressure, no rush. Today, we will talk about why change is difficult. Let's begin. Change is something many people want, but change is also something many people avoid. This is not because people are weak. It is because change is difficult. Let's understand why. First, the human brain loves familiarity. Familiar things feel safe. Familiar habits feel comfortable. Even if a habit is not good, it still feels known. The brain prefers what is known over what is new. This is why change feels uncomfortable. When you try something new, your brain sends a signal. The signal says, "This is unfamiliar." Unfamiliar feels risky. Risk feels uncomfortable. So the brain resists change. This is normal. Now, let's think about habits. Habits are actions you repeat every day. They happen almost automatically. You do not think about them. You just do them. When you try to change a habit, you must use energy. Energy feels difficult. This is why change feels hard at the beginning. But something important happens over time. When a new action is repeated, it becomes familiar. When it becomes familiar, it becomes easier. This is how habits change. Slowly. Now, let's connect this to learning English. Many learners want to change. They want better English. They want confidence. But learning English requires new habits. Listening daily, practicing regularly, being patient. These habits are new, so the brain resists. The brain says, "Stay with what you know." This is why many people stop early. Not because they cannot learn, but because change feels uncomfortable. Now, here's the important part. Discomfort does not mean failure. Discomfort means growth. Every time you feel uncomfortable, you are learning something new. This is true for English. This is true for life. Successful people understand this. They do not run away from discomfort. They stay with it. They stay calm. They stay patient. They understand that discomfort is temporary. Comfort returns when the new habit becomes familiar. Now, let's talk about fear. Fear often appears with change. Fear of mistakes. Fear of failure. Fear of looking slow. Fear is natural, but fear does not mean stop. Fear means you are stepping into something new. Change always starts with fear, but it does not end there. If you continue, fear becomes confidence. Confidence grows from action. Small action, daily action. Now, let's talk about time. Many people want change quickly. They want results now, but the brain does not change fast. The brain changes through repetition. This is why slow learning works. Slow listening, daily exposure, calm repetition. These change the brain naturally. Fast pressure creates stress. Stress blocks learning. Slow consistency creates growth. This is why change feels hard at first, but easier later. The beginning is always the hardest part. Now, remember this. You do not need to change everything today. You need to change one small action, one listening session, one calm habit. Small changes repeated daily create big results over time. Change is difficult, but it is possible. Not through force, not through pressure, through patience, through consistency, and through trust in the process. Before you go, remember this advice. Discomfort is not a problem. It is a sign that change is happening. Stay patient. Stay consistent. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. This way, you will receive new English learning videos designed to help you grow calmly and confidently. Thank you for listening.